how to apply a soft or KissMe color filter to your photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Then, in your pictures, go down and open up an image that you want to edit. Next, tap on the edit button. Then we go down and tap on filters. Now in the filter selection, swipe across and choose soft or KissMe filter. So here this is the soft, and below that is the strength bar, so you can swipe the slider bar to the left or to the right to increase or decrease the filter strength. And that's it. So select soft or KissMe filter and then tap on saved. And that is how you can apply the KissMe color filter on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.